Hello everyone. My name is M. Sai Nikhil of ECB section. My roll number is 20BQ1A04N. I am here to explain about quantum mechanics. Let's see about it. Quantum mechanics is a study is the process which occurs at the atom scale. That is the study of microparticles. An atom has two natures: particle nature and wave nature. Particle and wave nature. Let's see about it. Particle is specified by its mass, velocity, momentum, and energy. Wave is specified by its frequency, wavelength, phase, or wave velocity, amplitude, and intensity. Expression for wavelength of matter wave. By applying Planck's relation E equal to h by mv, according to Einstein theory, of relativity, E equal to mc square. If the photon of attains a mass m during its motion with velocity v, then we can write hv equal to mc square. Since the momentum of photon is p equal to mc, then the above equation can be written as hv equal to pc equal to pv lambda, since c equal to v lambda, lambda equal to h by p, or lambda equal to h by mv. Expressing wavelength in terms of kinetic energy, accelerated potential, and temperature. If the particle is accelerated to kinetic energy Ek, then Ek equal to half mv square, that is equal to p square by 2m. P equal to root mek. Lambda equal to h by 2, where lambda equal to h by root 2m into E. If the particle is accelerated through potential v, then p is equal to root 2mqv. Lambda equal to h by root 2mqv. When the particle is accelerated with the help of thermal energy, then its energy can be written as Ek equal to 3 by 2 kT, where K is Boltzmann constant. K equal to 1.38 into 10 power minus 23 joules per Kelvin, and temperature is absolute temperature, and T is absolute temperature. P equal to root mkt. Lambda equal to h by root 3 mkt. Schrodinger time independent equation. If the particle is said to have wave property, then there should be some sort of properties that is proven by Schrodinger. Dou square psi by dou t square equal to v square into dou square psi by dou x square plus dou square psi by dou y square plus dou square psi by dou z square equal to v square delta square psi, where delta square equal to dou square by x square plus dou square by y square plus dou square by z square. Delta square being Kaplan operator and v is wave velocity. Psi of x comma y comma z comma t equal to psi naught of x comma y comma z comma t into e power minus I omega t, where psi naught of x comma y comma z comma t is a function of x, y, z, and gives the amplitude at the point considered. Then equation can be represented as psi of r bar comma t equal to psi naught r bar into e power minus omega t. Differentiating above equation twice, we get dou square psi by dou t square equal to minus omega square into psi naught of r bar into e power minus I omega t, that is equal to minus omega square psi. Substituting the value of dou square psi by dou t square in the first equation, we get v square delta square psi equal to minus omega square psi. V square delta square psi plus omega square psi equal to 0, but omega equal to 2 pi n equal to v by lambda. Then omega square equal to v square by lambda square. Omega by v equal to 2 pi by lambda. Substituting the value of omega by v in the above equation, we get delta square psi plus 4 pi square by lambda square into psi equal to 0. Now from de Broglie's relation lambda equal to h by mv, then we get delta square psi plus 4 pi square by h square into m square v square psi equal to 0. If E and V are total and potential energies of particles respectively, then its kinetic energy half mv square is given by half mv square equal to E minus V. mv square equal to 2m into E minus V. From above equation, delta square psi plus 4 pi square h square into 2m into E minus V into psi equal to 0. Therefore, the equation is Schrödinger time independent equation. Delta square psi plus 8 pi square h square into m into E minus V psi equal to 0. Schrödinger time dependent equation. The differential equation representing a one-dimensional wave motion is dou square psi by dou t square equal to v square delta square psi. Consider v to be a complex function of space coordinates of the particle and time. The general solution is given by psi of x comma y comma z comma t equal to psi naught of x comma y comma z into e power minus I omega t. Psi equal to psi naught e power minus I omega t. Differentiate the above equation particle with respect to 2t on both sides. Dou psi by dou t equal to psi naught into minus I omega into e power minus I omega t. That is equal to psi naught of minus I into 2 pi into v into e power minus I omega t. That is equal to 2 pi I v into psi, where psi equal to psi naught of e power minus I omega t. That is equal to minus 2 pi I into e by h into psi, where e equal to h nu equal to e by h. That is equal to minus eh by h naught into psi. E psi equal to I h naught into dou psi by dou t. Substituting E psi values in Schrödinger time independent wave equation, we get psi square delta square psi plus 2m by h bar naught square into I h dou psi by dou dt minus v psi equal to 0. On simplifying this, we get minus h bar square by 2m into delta square psi square plus v psi equal to minus h bar into dou psi by dou t. The above wave equation is known as Schrödinger time dependent wave equation. It can also be written as h cap psi equal to e cap psi, where h cap equal to minus h bar square by 2m delta square plus v. Hamiltonian operation. E cap equal to I h naught dou by dou t equal to energy operators. Particle in one dimensional box. Consider a particle moving inside box along x direction, and particle bounces back and forth in the box. The potential of the particle is V. V equal to 0 for 0 less than x less than L. V equal to infinity for x less than or equal to N. V equal to infinity for x greater than or equal to L. A particle cannot exist outside the box, and so its wave function y is 0 for x less than or equal to 0 and x greater than or equal to L. The Schrödinger equation becomes dou square psi by dou x square plus 8 pi square m by h square into is I equal to 0. Consider this as equation 1. Putting 8 pi square m e by h square equal to k square in equation 1, we get dou square xi by dou x square plus k square into xi equal to 0. This is consider this as equation 2. The general solution of the equation 2 has xi equal to a sin k plus cos b cos kx. The boundaries conditions can be used to evaluate the constants AB. V equal to 0 at x equal to 0. Hence B equal to 0. V equal to 0 at x equal to L. Hence 0 equal to A sin KL. KL equal to n pi. K equal to n pi by L. Thus, xi naught into x equal to A sin n pi by L into x. En equal to k square h square by 8 pi square m. That is equal to n square pi square h square by n L square into 8 pi square m. En equal to n square h square by 8m into L square. En is called eigenvalue corresponding Vn is called as wave function. The probability of this particle is found inside the box. 0 to L xi power n into xi equal to 1. That is equal to a square into 0 to L sin square into n pi by L into x is equal to 1. On simplifying this, we get a square into L by 2 equal to 1. A equal to root of 2 by L. The normalized wave function of the particle n equal to root of 2L sin n pi by L into x. Diffraction detection of matter waves. Detection of matter waves. A wave associated with the motion of a particle of a material particle is known as matter wave. Experiments which supports wave nature are Davison-Gramers diffraction experiment, J.P. Thomson experiment. Davison and Gramers experiment. The apertures in this experiment are electric gun G. Electrons are produced of electric beam of known velocity. Tungsten filament. Electrons are emitted due to harmonic emission. A beam of electron is directed to fall on a single crystal of nickel known as target T. The angular distribution of electron diffraction in different directions is measured by Faraday's cylinder. The retarding potential is maintained between the two isolated walls so that only fast moving electrons coming from electron gun may enter into it. A cylinder was moved on a circular scale and for a given acceleration voltage V. Scattering wave showed as peak in the wave. The curve. With acceleration potential 54 volts and theta equal to 50 degrees according to de Broglie's wavelength, lambda equal to 1.26 into 1.26, that is equal to 1.67 angstrom units. From X-ray, it is known that a nickel crystal acts as a diffraction grating and grating space d equal to 0.909 into 10 power minus 10. We have diffraction electron beam mu equal to 15, theta equal to 15 degrees. Corresponding bag angle is equal to 65 degrees. According to Bag's formula, 2d sin theta equal to n lambda. By substituting the values, we get lambda equal to 1.65 angstroms. As the two values are in good agreement, hence confirms de Broglie concept of matter waves. J.P. Thomson experiment. Filament F is heated by passing electric current through it using low tension battery. B1. The electrons are emitted by filament due to thermonic emission. The electrons are then accelerated under a high potential difference of 10 kV to 50 kV applied to cylinder. A fine beam of electrons coming out of anode A is made to fall on thin foil thickness 10 power minus 6 centimeters of metal like gold, silver, etc. The electrons after diffraction are received on a photographic plate P placed with its plane parallel to the foil. The photographic plate shows a pattern of a number of concentric rings around the central spot. The following conclusions have been drawn from the experiment. Thomson experiments clearly demonstrate the extinction of matter waves because diffraction pattern can be produced by the waves. Thomson calculated the wave associated with the electrons with the help of diffraction rings. The calculated wavelength obtained by diffraction patterns agrees well with the wavelength obtained by de Broglie's reaction. The associated wavelength depends only on the accelerator voltage and is independent of material of the target. Heisenberg uncertainty principle. The Heisenberg uncertainty principle states that it is not possible to calculate both the position and momentum of a particle at a particular time. It is represented by delta p into delta x greater than or equal to h by 4 pi.